Built-in native programming features enable your shop to update or replace an engine control module, ME, on many Mercedes-Benz models. In this video, we will show you the process on a 2021 Mercedes-Benz A220 4MATIC sedan engine management system. Our subject vehicle has a TSB for fuel rail pressure sensor malfunction, which is remedied by performing a software update. Before beginning, be sure you have a stable internet connection. We also recommend switching to a wired connection between your NX tablet and the VCI. Connect to suitable vehicle power supply. After auto-identifying the vehicle, save a copy of the ME module information page. This can be viewed later to confirm the ME software version has been updated. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Powertrain System. Tap Engine. Tap ECU Replacement, Programming, iSCAN Coding. Read and understand message. Tap Enter to continue. In this example, we are updating the existing ECU. Tap No, a new ECU not purchased. Programming is ready to commence. Press Enter to continue. Read and understand message. Press Enter to agree and begin programming. Tap Enter to exit. Once programming is complete, tap Enter or Exit to end. Perform any necessary adaptations. Once complete, return to the diagnostics to check that the ME software version has been updated. It's always a good idea to check and clear any fault codes once complete. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more tips and procedures for Mercedes-Benz vehicles.